Life is a beautiful, magnificent thing, even to a jellyfish. You'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. I always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying. Nothing is permanent in this wicked world, not even our troubles. A man's true character comes out when he's drunk. We think too much and feel too little. You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Your naked body should only belong to those who fall in love with your naked soul. Failure is unimportant. It takes courage to make a fool of yourself. To truly laugh, you must be able to take your pain and play with it. Life is a tragedy when seen in close-up, but a comedy in long shot. Imagination means nothing without doing. Perfect love is the most beautiful of all frustrations, because it is more than one can express. Life can be wonderful if you're not afraid of it. All it takes is courage, imagination, and a little dough. You need power. Only when you want to do something harmful is enough to get everything done. That's the trouble with the world. We all despise ourselves. Life could be wonderful if people would leave you alone. In the light of our egos, we are all dethroned monarchs. Words are cheap. The biggest thing you can say is, elephant. The mirror is my best friend, because when I cry, it never laughs. A day without laughing is a day wasted. Believe in the power of laughter and tears as an antidote to hatred and terror. Think about yourself at least once in your life, otherwise you may miss the best comedy in this world. My lips never know my problem, they just always smile. My only enemy is time.